The goal of this video is to familiarize you with the Unity College online courses. We'll be using the Unity College Distance Education course template in order to give you the best generic example of what our online courses look like. Well, when you enter your course, the first thing you'll see is a bio from your instructor, a portrait, and then information on how to contact your instructor with course content or assessment questions, or alternatively your advisor who can help support you with Unity College policies and connect you with other resources that you may need. This left navigation bar is fairly consistent across all of the courses. You can navigate to announcements, which will be just-in-time updates from your instructor as your course runs. These notifications will also be presented to you on your account dashboard on the left here. Making your way down, you'll find the syllabus. The syllabus contains important information about your course, including coursework, due dates for assignments, the course description and course learning objectives, and then assignment categories and how those assignment categories are weighted to give you your final grade. The primary area where you'll be spending time in your course is the modules format. The modules is comparable to the index of a textbook. It shows you week by week course content in the same templated format for consistency. And when you get to where you need to be, you can choose and walk through the different pages of the course. The pages generally consist of the overview, which is the instructor's explanation of a high-level view of the subject area and content for that week. After the overview, students are presented with the weekly learning outcomes. These describe the course content and the assessments for the week that students will be learning and how they will be demonstrating that knowledge. After the learning objectives or the learning materials for the week, this page shows you the texts and other media that you'll be viewing for your instruction. These can include pages from a textbook, journal articles, industry media and news media sources, and third-party videos such as TED Ed. Additionally, courses that contain lecture videos will also have those embedded here as well. And then you'll be presented with your assignment for the week. This can take different shapes depending on the course you are in, as well as discussion boards. Each week's module ends with a checklist. The checklist helps communicate to you the expectations of what you were to do that week. Finally, on the left, you have access to your grades and gradebook. Again, it indicates to you the due dates, the name of the assignments that are due, the scores, and how those assignments will be weighted to calculate your final grade. There's also a library portal tool. Depending on what subject your course is in, this Library Resources tab will present you information from the Unity library and the databases that we have subscribed to. The final component that would be of interest to you is on the left here below calendar is the inbox. The inbox will allow you to send messages to your classmates who you'll be collaborating with on coursework, your instructors for if you have any questions about that coursework or the material that you're learning, and your advisor, again, if you need to be connected to any of the resources that the college has to offer.